Welcome to the world of flavorful wellness. Hello and welcome to our channel. We are your go-to resource for all things tasty and nutritious. We believe that eating healthy shouldn't mean compromising on flavor. So, if you're ready to embark on a culinary adventure while keeping your health in check, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to delve into the ketogenic lifestyle and share with you some mouth-watering dinner ideas that are as healthy as they are delicious. So, get your aprons ready and let's dive into the world of keto dinner delights.
Ready to unlock your full potential and empower your healthy wellness? We have exercises that invigorate and mindfulness practices that soothe, healthy foods that fuel your body. Welcome everyone to your journey towards holistic wellness. Here at Empower Healthy Wellness, we believe in empowering you to take charge of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Enjoy.
Looking for low-carb dinner ideas that are both healthy and delicious? Welcome to our world of culinary adventures where we believe that eating wholesome doesn't mean skimping on flavor. Especially for those on a keto lifestyle, low-carb dishes are not just options, they're essential. Today, we're going to share two delectable, easy-to-make low-carb dinner recipes that won't leave you feeling deprived. So, are you ready to tantalize your taste buds? Stay tuned to discover two fantastic recipes that will delight your taste buds without breaking your diet. Our first recipe is a classic favorite, zucchini noodles with garlic shrimp. A dish that's not just flavorful but also a great low-carb alternative to traditional pasta dishes. To start, you'll need some key ingredients: fresh zucchini, succulent shrimp, aromatic garlic, a hint of olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper to taste. The magic begins with the zucchini. You'll want to transform these green beauties into noodles, and that's where a spiralizer comes in handy. A few quick twists and turns, and you've got yourself a plate of fresh zucchini noodles, ready to soak up all the flavors. Now let's move on to the star of the show, the shrimp. These little sea treasures are not just delicious, but they're also a fantastic source of protein. Start by sautéing them in a pan with a bit of olive oil. As they start to turn pink, add in your minced garlic. The aroma of garlic and shrimp sautéing together is simply irresistible. Once your shrimp are cooked to perfection, it's time to introduce them to the zucchini noodles. Combine everything together, allowing the noodles to soak up the garlic-infused oil and take on the flavors of the shrimp. A final sprinkle of salt and pepper, and voila! You've created a dish that's not just mouth-wateringly delicious, but also perfectly suited to a low-carb lifestyle. And there you have it, a delicious and satisfying low-carb dinner ready in under 30 minutes. Next up is a simple yet flavorful dish, our chicken Caesar salad. This salad is a classic winning hearts over the years for its simplicity and robust flavors. And today, we're making it keto-friendly. The ingredients you'll need are pretty straightforward: a fresh chicken breast, crisp romaine lettuce, a handful of Parmesan cheese, your favorite Caesar dressing, and a pinch of black pepper for that extra kick. Let's start with the star of our salad, the chicken breast. Grill it to perfection until it's golden brown and juicy on the inside. While the chicken is grilling, let's move on to the romaine lettuce. Chop it up into bite-sized pieces. Remember, the key to a good salad is all in the chopping. You want pieces that are easy to eat but still maintain their crispness. Once the chicken is grilled to perfection, let it cool down a bit before slicing it into thin, bite-sized strips. Now comes the fun part, assembling the salad. In a large bowl, combine the chopped romaine lettuce and the sliced chicken. Give it a good toss to mix everything together. Now it's time for the dressing. Drizzle your Caesar dressing all over the salad. Don't be shy, give it a good pour. Next, sprinkle the Parmesan cheese on top. And finally, finish it off with a dash of black pepper. Voila, there you have it, a low-carb chicken Caesar salad that's not only delicious but also packed with protein. Enjoy this crisp, fresh, and flavorful salad that won't weigh you down. So, who said low-carb meals have to be boring? Certainly not us. We've just explored two mouth-watering recipes: zucchini noodles with garlic shrimp and chicken Caesar salad. Both dishes are low-carb, brimming with flavor, and remarkably easy to whip up in your kitchen. They're perfect for anyone living a keto lifestyle or simply looking to reduce their carbohydrate intake. Thanks for watching. Remember, a keto lifestyle doesn't mean you have to compromise on taste. Try these recipes and enjoy your healthy and delicious dinners.
Like this video? Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more fun and learning. Leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.